Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new bag reveal and it is Chanel. So where should I begin? I found the bag. It is pre-owned. It's not a brand new handbag. It's huge. And this is the exact bag that I was after for a while, but I just couldn't find at the right price and at the good, the very good condition, excellent condition that I always look for when I buy pre-owned stuff. So when I came across, this particular bag, I had to grab it. So let me just show you what I have because it is exciting. Ta-da! Let me move a little bit. So this bag is so big it doesn't fit into my viewfinder. Anyway, so this is the DeVille tote and this is in a large size. I do have a medium size, which I'm gonna show you in a second, for those who are not familiar, but this is the one with the large size, which I wanted to get, but I want this specific one. This is a raffia. So this is not one of those that it's, very kind of soft and fluffy. Maybe that's not a good word. Some materials they use almost like a cotton, like a jeans, like a thick canvas. But this is the raffia material. So it is more like a structure, a handbag. And it's absolutely beautiful. This, it is very, very big. This is something, I knew the bag is gonna be big. By the way, if you hear noises, Eddie is eating his bun right here. So I apologize. So I knew the bag was going to be big, but I didn't expect that of a big, if that makes sense. I don't know, because I have a medium size, which I'm gonna compare to, but this one is absolutely ginormous. That's why I said to my husband, I think this is going to be like a travel bag, or when we go like on vacation, because it is absolutely ginormous. Yeah. There is some pockets, but there is a lot happening, and because of the raffia, kind of material, it's not the lightest. Do you see how she had it folded down? So I keep stuffing it with a pillow and everything just to, get rid of that liner. Hopefully, if I keep it in that position, it will fix. But anyway, so many large DeVille totes don't have, feet at the bottom, and they also don't have that piece of leather on the strap. It's just purely, the typical Chanel kind of a chain. And I think those straps makes a huge difference when you have like a piece of leather. I'm gonna show you on my medium size DeVille tote. See, this one has the same. It has a little leather, and truthfully, this is different material. This is one of those boucle kind of material, and truthfully, this one has been so comfortable. I love this bag. This is like one of my most used Chanel bags for sure. That doesn't obviously have the feet, but I do appreciate, that leather. And because I use mine so much, the leather is so much softer. This one seems to still be a little bit stiff, because she described, the lady that I bought it from, she described this bag as pretty much used 5 times or 3 times, and so I can tell that the leather is still a little bit, it's not as soft, because the bag is pretty new, to be honest with you. So yeah, what do you guys think? I am super excited, but at the same time, I thought to myself, like, once I saw it in person, I was like, this is big. So first I was thinking like, oh, this is gonna be a great work bag, if I have to take lots of music with me and just, carry all those books and everything. But honestly, this is a lot of room. This is more, I think this is going to be more like a travel bag, more like a vacation bag, It's going to be very stylish. I expected this to be a little bit smaller, but nevertheless, I do love the bag. I'm happy it is in my collection. I think it's very, very beautiful. And yeah, what do you guys think? I mean, you know, it's kind of a, I feel like the VUITTONs are not like a classic design, because they became so popular, you know, and I know lots of people buy this particular size rather than, you know, the smaller, which is, this one is called small. So this is, so there's no medium. There is mini. If you guys familiar, there is mini, but mini is more like vertical. So it's a lot, this one is more horizontal, mini is more like kind of a vertical. So it's smaller. I've seen a lot of minis on the pre-owned market, and obviously this size, the large, are super, super, super popular. So yes, it seems like lots of people love this. And you know, honestly, I haven't seen any large DeVille tote in person, like until I purchased this one. So I don't know if the other ones are heavy, the ones that are made from canvas, you know, and how they really hold up. I have no clue. This one is not the lightest one, I'm just gonna say it. So I haven't used it, obviously, so I didn't put any stuff into it. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait, you know, till the summer, till we do a little, maybe a weekend, you know, kind of getaways, or when we're gonna travel for our vacation, or if I just need to carry lots of stuff, that's probably what I'm gonna use it. Here's a little comparison of both bags. I hope this will kind of give you an idea of how big is this one to compare to that one. And let me do a little kind of a side view. It is, you know, this one is, it's pretty, you know, it's pretty large. I know lots of women, you know, they use this handbag as an everyday kind of a work bag, or like they even carry it, you know, every day. But I think for me, this will be more kind of vacation bag, like I mentioned, like a trip bag, you know, because it is a little bigger than I expected. Alright guys, so this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about my new DeVille tote. And yeah, let me know if you do own a large DeVille tote and how to use it. Do you use it often, you know, or is it strictly like a travel kind of bag for you? I guess it's depend of, you know, people lifestyle. Maybe some people use it for work if they have to carry a tons of stuff with them. Most likely, like I said, I will use it for, you know, for travels. Hopefully there's gonna be more travels this year. So yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And yeah, let me know what you think about my new bag, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!